Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet app. To know how to find the solution about Google Meet app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. There in this list you'll enter to the app of Google Meet. When you'll find this page you will enter to force stop. Here we click OK. Then you'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end you can turn off your phone. You'll wait a moment, and if it's not working you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.